Nikon's upcoming flagship mirrorless cameras, the Z9II and the rumored Z9H, are generating significant buzz in the photography world. Both models appear to be high-speed variants of the successful Z9, targeting professional photographers in fields such as sports, wildlife, and action photography. While sharing some similarities, these cameras seem to be positioned slightly differently in Nikon's lineup. The Z9II is rumored to feature a 20.4 megapixel sensor, focusing on speed rather than resolution. This aligns with the information about the Z9H, which is also said to sport a 20.4 megapixel sensor. Both cameras are designed to excel in capturing fast-moving subjects, with the Z9H reportedly boasting an impressive sensor readout speed of 0.4 milliseconds. This ultra-fast readout could potentially eliminate rolling shutter effects, a significant advantage for action photographers. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Z9II is the potential inclusion of a global shutter. If true, this would be a game-changing feature, allowing the entire image to be captured simultaneously and completely eliminating motion artifacts. The Z9H rumors don't explicitly mention a global shutter, but its incredibly fast readout speed might achieve similar results in practice. Both cameras are set to push the boundaries of flash synchronization speeds. The Z9II is rumored to offer flash sync speeds up to 1/2000th of a second, which would be a remarkable feat. Interestingly, the Z9H is reported to match this capability, also syncing with flash at up to 1/2000th of a second. This high-speed sync would provide photographers with unprecedented control over lighting and fast-paced shooting scenarios, particularly beneficial for studio and fashion photography. In terms of processing power, the Z9II is expected to incorporate dual Expeed 7 processors, despite Nikon already testing Expeed 8 processors. The Z9H is also rumored to feature a dual Expeed 7 processor setup. This choice of processors might be aimed at optimizing performance and managing heat generation in these high-speed cameras. The release timelines for both cameras seem to be similar. The Z9II is projected for release in late 2024 or early 2025, while the Z9H is rumored to hit the market between the fourth quarter of 2024 and the first quarter of 2025. This alignment suggests that Nikon might be planning to release these cameras as complementary models, perhaps targeting slightly different segments of the professional photography market. Both the Z9II and Z9H are positioned to compete with high-end offerings from other manufacturers. The Z9II is mentioned as a direct competitor to the anticipated Canon R1 and Sony A9 III, while the Z9H is rumored to go head-to-head with the Canon R1, Canon R3, and Sony A9 II. This positioning indicates Nikon's ambition to reclaim its strong standing in the professional camera market. While both cameras share many similarities, the key difference appears to be the potential inclusion of a global shutter in the Z9II. If this rumor proves true, it could give the Z9II a significant edge in certain shooting scenarios. However, the Z9H's reported 0.4 millisecond readout speed might provide similar benefits in practice. Nonetheless, these rumors paint an exciting picture of Nikon's future offerings, suggesting that the company is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in digital photography. Whether as the Z9II and Z9H or under different monikers, these cameras promise to be formidable tools for professional photographers, potentially redefining high-speed photography and opening up new creative possibilities in the field.